is a lovely day, isn't it? I'm here to tell you a story about a girl named Anastasia. Anastasia Veronica Fulgencio is a ninth grader at Dublin High School, passionately striving to become the valedictorian. She transferred in another school because her parents moved due to issues in their previous location. She was happy at the start of the school year, but then a tragic event occurred, a devastating tragedy that no one could have anticipated.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Oh, look who decided to show up. You're late.
Sorry, ma'am. I'm a mistake.
I don't want to hear explanation. Pass it. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, everyone. Turn your book page 3 to 13. Read the title of the lesson.
The importance of...
Louder.
The importance of mental health.
Good. Now, Anastasia, since you were so eager to interrupt my class, why don't you read the first paragraph?
Yes, ma'am. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act.
Enough. Can anyone tell me why this is important? And it better be a good answer. You.
Because it helps us handle stress better.
Good. Anyone else? You.
It helps us make better decisions and relate to others.
Very good. Remember, taking care of your mental health is crucial for your overall well-being. Now, let's dive deeper into today's lessons. Anastasia, are you paying attention?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, really? Then why don't you explain what we just discussed?
We were talking about how mental health affects our emotions and decisions.
Pathetic! You can't even summarize a simple paragraph. Pay more attention or you'll never catch up. Alright, let's move on. Who can tell me the three main components of mental health? Anastasia, since you were so shy on participating today, why don't you answer?
Emotional, psychological, and social well-being.
Well, looks like you can read after all. But don't get too comfortable. This is not a place for suckers like you. Remember, if you want to succeed, you need to be better than mediocre. Now, let's continue.
Why is everyone so harsh to me? Why? Why? Is this all you want? To destroy me? Fine. Once I'm gone, I'm going to regret it.
Anastasia, it's time for a day. Anastasia! Help! Help!
Years have passed, and the new set of students are excited to start the school year. This is Math, a nerd, an introverted person who always has a book by his side. He is a fan called Booger.
Hey man, what's up?
Eman, the campus crush, an elite whose family owns a casino where the students often hang out. This is Oliver, a social media influencer, popular and always getting picked by the teachers.
Girl, OMG, it's so hot in here.
Miggy, the joker of the group, the regular in detention, also called Kid.
Man, you want some gum?
Lastly, Iya, a student leader who has access to all the keys of the school. She is the teacher's favorite pet and the valedictorian of their batch. As the bell rings, the students rush to their first class, eager to see what the new school year holds.
I hope this year is different. Don't worry, Matt. Stick with me, and you'll be fine.
First day vibes, hashtag back to school, hashtag new school year, new me.
I'll bet I'll be in the detention room by lunch. Any takers?
Let's make this year the best one yet. We have so much to accomplish.
And so the new school year begins with each student ready to face their own challenges and adventures. Little do they know, this year will be unlike any other. The school school day is over, and the group decides to go to the cafeteria for some snacks.
What a tiring day.
Not gonna lie, my hair is so frizzy right now.
At least we're in the same class again. Yeah, and as always, my classroom will be the detention room.
Yes, it is indeed a tiring day. I wish I could just sleep.
Right, it's so boring.
Anyways, I hate that one teacher. I think she's so against the world and she's getting my nerves, huh?
Oh, Miss Mendez, I heard she's a terror, maybe because of what happened 10 years ago. What happened? There was this girl who was always late. Then Miss Mendez had a beef with her. Then one day, the girl ended her life.
I am flabbergasted.
Guys, enough with that.
Speaking of which,
School's done, and the group is about to go home, but Emma insists on taking them to the casino.
Hey guys, wanna go to our casino? It's fun there.
But Emma, casinos are illegal and we shouldn't go there.
Relax, we're just going to the guest room at the back of the casino. Well, that sounds fun.
I bet you're right. So let's go!
The group arrives at the casino and goes to the guest room. The room is filled with cards and tokens.
This looks so awesome.
Yeah, I wonder how much money they spent to build this.
Guys, enough with the talking. Let's have fun.
The room is filled with laughter and the group is happy to have the freedom from school. The group is tired and decides to play cards. While playing, Miggy starts to talk about the girl committed suicide 10 years ago.
Hey, have you guys heard about the girl who committed suicide on her own because of Miss Mendez?
What? No, I haven't. What happened?
They say she was a student like us. Mrs. Mendez was her teacher and so harsh to her. One day, the pressure was so much and she ended her life at home.
That's so sad. Why did she do it?
No one knows for sure. Some say Mrs. Mendez bullied her. Others say she was struggling to her
The
personal
incident that
issues.
happened
They
in the
say-
casino
they
was
say
still in their
the spirit
minds.
still haunts the school.
Suddenly, the lights flicker and the cold breeze sweeps through the room.
Did you guys feel that?
Yeah, that was weird. Maybe we should leave.
Come on, it's just a story. Don't be scared.
As they continue playing, they hear a faint whisper.
Leave now!
You guys hear that?
Okay, this is getting creepy. Maybe we should go.
The group quickly gathers their things and leaves the room, feeling a chill down their spines.
Are you guys okay? Yeah. But if we sneak into the faculty to look for some files about the girl who died 10 years ago. Yeah, so she has access to that room.
But guys, what if the teachers catch us? Or worse, Mrs. Mendez?
Girl, chill. It's not like they committed a crime. We're just looking for that file anyway.
No, but make sure there's no one sees us. Even if you regard your teacher. Okay, here's the plan. Okay guys, let's go. That was close. Let's hurry.
Here it is. Anastasia. She was bullied by Mrs. Mendez. This is so sad.
We need to get out of here before someone catches us.
They quietly leave the faculty room, but as they step outside, a teacher spots them.
What are you kids doing here at this hour?
We were just looking for something we lost earlier.
You know, you're not supposed to be here. I'm going to have to report this.
Wait, please. We were looking for information about Anastasia.
Anastasia? She was one of my students. She was incredibly smart and kind-hearted. It's tragic. What happened to her? Could you tell us more about her? Of course. Anastasia was always top of her class. She loved helping others and had a bright future ahead of her. Unfortunately, she was faced a lot of pressure and bullying, especially from Mrs. Mendez. It was too much for her to handle.
That's so sad. We just wanted to understand your story.
I appreciate your curiosity and concern. But you must promise me you'll never do something like this again. It's dangerous and against the rules.
We promise.
Why did you guys touch my funds? I told you to leave! You all are going to hell! Anastasia's death, the untold story.